Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you for all my Patreons. I appreciate your support. Consider being a patron of this channel. Also, thank you to all of those who ordered their Tesla using my link. Much appreciated. You got me so far 17,000 free supercharging miles, which will last me for the next 50 to 75 years or so. Also, you got free supercharging miles as well. And there's a couple more days left for the end of Q2 of 2019, which means the $3,750 tax incentive is going to be expiring very, very soon. Today I'm going to give you some 6 Tesla news. Most of them are confirmed. One of them probably will be maybe 2 of them actually is a little bit a speculation by me, but it's not speculation because I pulled it out of my ear. It's because of stuff that I'm reading and I think it might happen. But this news will affect Tesla sales and all that, but can affect Tesla stock in a very positive way if they all come into fruition in the next 2 quarters. So let's start with number 6. That's a bit speculative. Tesla will probably introduce what I call level 4 of the full self-driving in some kind of a beta mode testing and maybe on few cars, few owners and all that, and that to lead them towards level 5, which is full autonomous. So what would be level 4? Let's say small streets driving, stop signs, on GPS make left and right and go to your destination within city driving. That will be the next level of what Tesla have. That will be an amazing step forward because all of the billions of miles of data Tesla is collecting through their cars, through their fleet that is being collecting this data. Number 5, this is not speculative. I think it's going to happen, because Elon Musk kind of said he was going to think about it, of having an upgrade or a different affiliate incentives. For example, right now, if you buy a Tesla using somebody else's link, hopefully it's mine, the buyer gets a free 1,000 miles of supercharging, and the person with the link, the owner, gets also 1,000 miles. Last month it was 5,000 miles. I got 10,000 miles. No, I'm sorry, I take it back. I got 15,000 miles from three buyers. Just on that one. So that was great. And also you can Tesla owners get into a raffle that you can win a Model Y or a Roadster. Now there are so many iteration of referral programs or affiliate program, whatever you call it, referral program, that cost Tesla a lot of money. For example, Tesla gave away 88 Roadster. Roadster is a $250,000 car. So that became very expensive. It was off and it was on. So maybe there will be a different program that will be a bit of an upgrade. We're not sure. We shall see. Number 4, Tesla insurance. I'm going to say 2 things about it. Tesla insurance was something that Elon Musk brought up. It's something that he said he's going to do soon. Is it going to happen soon? That's the question. I'm not sure. I did a whole video about Tesla insurance. It's very interesting stuff of how insurance works and how a Tesla insurance will work, having taken into consideration the Tesla safety and the autopilot and all that stuff that give Tesla a completely different dimension in how you would actually rate a Tesla insurance. How would you insure a Tesla car? And maybe that's why Tesla want to get into it. Number 3, which is to me the biggest news, is Tesla truck / Model Y. So it's two in one. So the Tesla truck introduction, hopefully in the end of the summer, and the Tesla Model Y production next year. So these 2 things are, to me, bigger than anything else I mentioned so far, because this is the segment that Americans buy the most, the truck and the small SUV, the compact SUV crossovers. Number 2, the Tesla Maxwell partnership for battery technology. I also made a video about batteries, and this would be the biggest Tesla challenge, and maybe even Elon Musk talk about it, about investors battery meeting, because that is it. No battery, no car. It's like car without gasoline. And if we want to exponentially scale Tesla cars, trucks, and small SUVs, CUVs, you need tons of battery, and Tesla wants to have much better control of their destiny when it comes to production of Tesla batteries. And number one is an Tesla Model S and X refresh. There are a lot of renderings. None of them are confirmed, but I think that the struggling of Model S and X sales has to do with the fact that it has not been refreshed. I mean, the biggest refresh came with the upgrade of the range to 370 miles. That's, to me, is the most important refresh. But just ask yourself, who buys Tesla Model S and X? Very wealthy people who buy them every other year. I have a friend who's into their 7th Tesla, three Model S's already, and 2 or 3 Model X's, and their siblings, and between the whole family, there's like maybe 12 or 15 Teslas that they own or exchange or onto, and all that. So who buys these cars? Buys the people who can afford it, and after 2 years they get bored with the old toy and they want a new toy. I remember when my kids were growing up, I used to go to Toys R Us. It was open by the time I go to Toys R Us like every other week, because I got tired of the old toys. So Tesla Model S and X is not for working people. This is for rich people who really need a toy. So, and they need a new toy all the time. So that's why refreshing these cars is so important. So these 6 things that I've mentioned are going to affect Tesla stock and Tesla future significantly, especially number 3, the truck and the Model Y. Let me know if you agree, if you have your own list, your own thing that you think we should add to this that will affect Tesla future and Tesla stock. Thank you for watching, guys. See you tomorrow, another video.